Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into passive income ideas specifically for beginners. If you've ever wanted to earn money while you sleep, you're in the right place. We'll explore creative and practical strategies to help you generate income with minimal effort. So, let's jump right in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a time-tested method for generating passive income. When you purchase shares in companies that regularly pay dividends, you earn a portion of the company's profits. This income is typically distributed on a quarterly basis, allowing you to receive money regularly without selling your shares. By reinvesting dividends back into your stock portfolio, you can enhance your overall returns through compounding. It's crucial to research companies with a strong history of paying dividends to ensure the stability of your investment. 2. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts provide a fantastic opportunity for passive income through real estate without the hassle of property management. Real estate investment trusts are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate across various sectors, such as residential or commercial properties. By investing in a real estate investment trust, you can earn dividends from the rental income generated by these properties. Many real estate investment trusts are publicly traded, making them easy to buy and sell on the stock market. This option allows you to diversify your investment across different types of real estate without requiring a large upfront capital investment. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an innovative way to generate passive income by lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In this model, you can earn interest on the loans you provide, which can yield higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Before investing, it's important to research the lending platform and understand the risks involved, as borrowers may default on their loans. Diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers can help mitigate this risk and improve your chances of earning returns. Many platforms offer tools to assess borrowers' creditworthiness, allowing you to make informed lending decisions. 4. Create an online course. Creating and selling an online course is a great way to leverage your knowledge and expertise to earn passive income. If you have skills or insights in a particular area, you can design a course that teaches others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your courses. Once the course is created, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort as students enroll. Marketing your course through social media and email campaigns can help attract a wider audience. Additionally, updating your course content regularly keeps it relevant and encourages more students to sign up. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an effective way to earn passive income by promoting other companies' products or services. You can share affiliate links through your blog, website, or social media channels, earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Choosing products that align with your audience's interests is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. By creating engaging content that includes your affiliate links, you can drive traffic and sales while maintaining authenticity with your audience. Many companies offer affiliate programs, making it easy to find products to promote. It's essential to disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to maintain trust. 6. High-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer a straightforward way to earn passive income on your savings. Unlike traditional savings accounts, high-yield accounts provide significantly higher interest rates, allowing your money to grow more quickly. While the returns may not be as high as other investment strategies, this option is low risk and provides liquidity for your funds. It's important to shop around and compare different banks and credit unions to find the best rates and terms. Regularly depositing money into your high-yield savings account can further enhance your returns over time. This strategy is particularly useful for short-term savings goals or emergency funds. 7. Print on demand. Print on demand is an exciting business model that allows you to sell custom-designed products without holding inventory. With print-on-demand services, you can create unique designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. When customers place orders, the service handles production and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing your creations. Platforms like Redbubble and Printful make it easy to set up your online store and start selling. Promoting your designs through social media can increase visibility and attract potential buyers. While initial efforts in creating and marketing your products are required, successful print-on-demand businesses can generate passive income as products sell. 8. Blogging or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel can be a fun way to share your passions and earn passive income. Once you build an audience, you can monetize your content through advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Consistency in content creation is key to growing your audience and increasing revenue opportunities. Choose a niche that interests you to stay motivated and produce engaging content. As your platform grows, you can explore additional revenue streams, such as selling digital products or offering services. While it may take time to see significant income, the potential for passive earnings is substantial. 9. Invest in index funds. Investing in index funds is a simple and effective way to earn passive income through the stock market. Index funds are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that track a specific market index, providing you with broad market exposure. By investing in these funds, you can benefit from the overall growth of the market while minimizing risks associated with individual stocks. The passive management of index funds often results in lower fees compared to actively managed funds, making them appealing for beginner investors. Regular contributions to your index fund can enhance your returns over time through dollar-cost averaging. Additionally, reinvesting dividends can accelerate the growth of your investment. Historically, index funds have outperformed many actively managed funds over the long term. By adopting a buy-and-hold strategy with index funds, you can create a reliable source of passive income. 10. License your photography or artwork. If you're a photographer or artist, licensing your work can be a lucrative source of passive income. Many businesses and individuals are on the lookout for high-quality images or artwork for various projects. By licensing your creations through platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, you can earn money each time someone uses your work. It's essential to understand the licensing agreements and ensure you retain rights to your creations. Additionally, promoting your portfolio through social media can attract potential buyers and increase your chances of sales. This strategy allows you to monetize your existing work without constantly creating new pieces. As your portfolio grows, so does your potential for passive earnings. Licensing your photography or artwork provides a way to earn income while doing what you love. Thank you for watching. We hope these passive income ideas inspire you to start earning while you sleep. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights on financial success.